Struggling to keep track of business expenses can be a nightmare. Misplaced receipts, expense reports taking forever, and the constant worry of missing something important. Well, there are tools out there to help, and one popular option is Expensify. Expensify helps streamline your expense management process, but with any software, there can be questions, especially when it comes to pricing. So, let's dive into the world of Expensify fees and answer the burning question: what exactly is this unbundled fee everyone's talking about? Understanding bundled versus unbundled. Expensify offers different pricing plans, and the key to understanding the unbundled fee lies in the concept of bundled versus unbundled. Imagine Expensify as a package deal. The bundled version includes all the features and services you need for expense management, but it comes with a condition: using their Expensify card for a certain percentage of your spending. Think of the Expensify card as a perk within the package. It simplifies expense tracking by automatically capturing transactions. But if you don't use the card enough, you might get hit with an unbundled fee. This fee essentially separates the core Expensify service from the benefits of the card. How much is the unbundled fee? Now, the exact amount of the unbundled fee depends on your chosen Expensify plan. There are two main categories: Collect and Control. Collect is a basic plan for expense reporting, while Control offers more advanced features like policy enforcement and smart categorization. Here's the breakdown. Collect plan. Unbundled fee, $10 per user, per month, pay per use, or $5 per user, per year, annual subscription. Control plan. Unbundled fee, $18 per user, per month, pay per use, or $9 per user, per year, annual subscription. The sliding scale, not all or nothing. But wait, there's more. Expensify isn't completely rigid. They understand that not everyone wants to use the Expensify card all the time. That's why they implemented a sliding scale. Here's how it works: if your company uses the Expensify card for at least 50% of its approved expenses, you won't pay the unbundled fee at all. However, if your card usage falls below 50%, the fee kicks in, but on a sliding scale. The more you use the card, the lower the fee becomes. The bottom line: plan your spend wisely. So, the unbundled fee in Expensify is essentially a cost associated with not using their Expensify card enough. It's important to factor this into your decision-making process when choosing a plan. If your company anticipates using the card extensively, the bundled pricing might be the most cost-effective option. However, if the Expensify card doesn't fit your workflow, be prepared for the unbundled fee. The good news is, the sliding scale helps minimize the impact if you use the card to some degree. Remember, effective expense management is about finding a system that works for you. Expensify offers a valuable tool, but it's up to you to decide if the bundled or unbundled approach aligns best with your company's needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.